One of the the saddest aspects of the story, even a few hours back, there were people still looking for their near and dear ones. There are people who are still missing. Is that right?
Yes, precisely, Vishnu. One such person is an elderly woman who was, with us as well. I met her last night. The moment I came to Sikandra Rao at the accident spot, the stampede spot in Fularai village where it happened, where the religious congregation was held out and then the stampede occurred out there. So this elderly woman was in Sikandra Rao hospital. She was looking for a 16-year-old granddaughter, and thereafter I met her at ETA Medical College, the district hospital in the morning today, and thereafter we took her to the Hathras district hospital as well, so that she can find, at least look around for her granddaughter who was with her at the satsang, which is what it is called. And there are more such people. This is just one such person whom I got talking with and got to know that she's missing a family member and she's looking for a family member. We know that the death toll number is at 121 with 28 injured, but there are so many people who are missing of their family members right now. They have absolutely no clue where they are, whether they're alive or dead, and nobody is at this point. What locals and these victims are telling us is that nobody is actually guiding them as to where they should go to find their dear ones. So they're hopping around from one hospital to the other, be it Sikandra Rao District Hospital, then ETA District Hospital, Hathras District Hospital, in Aligarh and Agra as well. Not just bodies were taken for post-mortem, but victims who were injured were also shifted there, because so all these victims, be it deceased bodies or injured persons, were taken first to the Sikandra Rao District Hospital, which could not manage such a huge medical emergency, which is why after that most of these bodies as well as victims were shifted to different districts in the state. I'm also standing right now outside the police lines in Hathras, which is where a short while back Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath held his press conference, where he declared that the people who are to blame are the organizers, and the organizers have hid the evidence as well. But now we have videos that have surfaced on which show that when this Godman's car was leaving, that is when the crowd went after the car, and because of rains, the area around that place was marshy, which led to all of these people sliding and piling onto one another. This is what victims and families who have lost their loved ones have also told us, that there were people piled upon each other and lying just dead across not just the street out there, but also in the district hospitals. I earlier spoke to a few victims at the Hathras district hospital. Listen in.
रबड़ के हम नीचे गिर रहे हैं, हमारे पीछे आ रहे हैं तो ऊपर गिर रहे हैं, ऐसे गिर रहे हैं। ये बच्चा मेरे गोद में लग रहा है।
आपके साथ है?
हाँ,
बच्चा आपका क्या लगता है? कौन लगता है?
नाती है।
नाती कितने उम्र का है?
5
साल का। इसे क्या हुआ है?
जाके पैर में लग गई है।
इसके पैर में चोट लगी है?
गुम चोट है। हाँ।
अच्छा, और तो अभी आप दोनों चल फिर पा रहे हैं?
खड़ा है जाता है।
5 साल का बच्चा है आप कह रहे हो। और इसके अलावा तो ये आपके साथ सत्संग में गया था, तो आप पहली बार इस बाबा के बारे में आपको पता कहाँ से चला?
पता जाते हैं संग की काम की के संग हम चले गए।
अच्छा, तो इस बाबा के विषय में आप जो कल थी सत्संग में, आपको क्या लगता है इस बाबा के विषय में?
ये बाबा का सही है, चलो हम देख के आवे।
हाँ,
सही है बाबा, हम देख के आवे। कहा
बाबा का सत्संग में आपको सुन के बैठ के कैसा लगा, और उसके बाद ये सब जो हुआ उसमें आपका क्या कहना है?
नहीं गई गए, क्या कहते, एक लड़की खत्म हो गई, वो जिंदगी कर दी, और अपना धर्म हटकाओ, हमने दान कर दो सब।
ये बाबा का कहना है कि अपने धर्म हट से दान कर
दान कर दो। हाँ,
क्या दान करने को कहते हैं ये बाबा?
कहा हमारे अपने हाथों से हमने दान कर दो।
अच्छा,
बढ़ती गई वही है कि संस्कार बढ़िया देना और वही करना। अब भेड़ चाल क्या करना।
बाबा के बारे में जानकारी है
क्या? कुछ नहीं है। आओ, हमारे लिए कोई ABCD का नहीं है। आओ, ये जो कर सकत क्या करें। अब सर न्याय मिलना चाहिए हमारे लिए, कठोर से कठोर न्याय मिलना चाहिए, और यही कहना चाहेंगे, और कुछ नहीं।
कलेक्टर जज वहाँ जाते, मैंने भैया तो दुष्टार है, उनको कलाकारी हो, देख ले।
अब क्या लगता है अब देखो जी, मुझे तो दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा मेरे इस समय।
प्रशासन से क्या मांग चाहते हैं, किस तरह की
प्रशासन तो देखो जी, शासन तो न्याय की गुहार लगाएंगे। मैं नहीं, पूरा जितने मृतक हैं उनके परिवार के लोग सभी गुहार लगाएंगे कि प्रशासन कुछ न कुछ न्याय गरीबों को दिलाए।
I'm currently in this village in Hathras that goes by the name of Shokna, and a lot of people we know have met their deaths in this stampede, this tragic event that happened after the religious congregation of this so-called godman who goes by the name of Bhole Baba. There are not just victims who are deceased but also injured, but also at this point people who have lost their near and dear ones are also victims of this massive tragedy that conspired yesterday. And just a short while back, there was a press conference that was being held by Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, in which he said that, the main people concerned here, the main people responsible here are the organizers of this event. The organizers are the people who are, hiding the evidence here, and they are to take blame here. A special investigating team, an SIT probe, has also been set up to look into the matter. And what the Chief Minister as of now has also promised is that there will be judicial remedy, judicial intervention into this massive mishap that has happened, and a bench will be led by, retired judge of the HC.
Tanushka, let's just get a few more details from you. Where exactly is the investigation right now? Have the police been able to home in on the Baba, as it were?
Right, so the Baba is still absconding. Last of what we know is that he was in Mainpuri in his ashram where he was yesterday, but today what has been found out is that he was not there. Even though a lot of police forces were deployed right outside his ashram, this Baba is supposedly not in his ashram anymore right now, and nobody knows where this Baba is. So the big question right now is, where is this Baba? And the fact that he is a repeat offender, their cases have surfaced of his previous offences as well. One such case being when during COVID he had held another satsang. This is in Farrukhabad, and again the district administration had given him permission for a congregation of 50 people, but more than 50,000 people had ended up going to this event, which had led to, again, of course, a very big mismanagement of traffic in the city at that time. And even now it's only that in Hathras this has happened at a much larger scale, with the loss of lives of people, with the loss of lives of women and children. And with respect to the investigation, a special investigation team has been set up by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the report for which will also come in into 24 hours. Now, the report that the Chief Minister had asked for last night by the SDM has been submitted to the district manager, and in that the report states that, the Sevadars, the commanders of this godman who were around him, were also responsible for pushing the crowd away from the godman so as to not get close to the godman. And this is what led to the crowd to get more, aggravated, and also pushing them directly away from the godman, which did cause most of the chaos. So this is what also the SDM's report states to the district manager. And other than this, what we also know is that a judicial intervention is being planned by the Chief Minister, and the bench will be set by a retired judge of the Delhi High Court. So these are some, strict government actions that can be expected. What the Chief Minister as well as what the Prime Minister has reiterated is that those who are responsible behind this, as in the FIR has been mentioned, the chief organizers of the event have been mentioned in the FIR as the main accused. They will be held accountable, and strict action will be taken
All right,
against
so
them.
Tanushka, let's see what exactly happens in terms of that action.